Hey everyone, I'm going to show you the cleanup process when it comes to pottery in the park and your practice hours. So first thing we're going to do is hand sanitize right when we enter. Now for the actual cleanup process. After you're done throwing, you're going to use the back of your needle tool to just push that insert out, and we then use the same bucket we used to throw with to clean up with. We're just going to take all the clay out from that plastic tray, we're going to wipe the table down, the wheel head down, and we're going to make sure it's as clean as possible. After we've given it a good wipe, we're then going to use some disinfectant and we're going to wipe down everything that we've touched. When it comes to the bucket, we want to make sure we give it a good wipe down. This allows all the clay to sink to the bottom, and we can then use our hands to pick up any big chunks of clay and throw them in a bucket that's called clay scraps. After this, we pour the rest of that clay water into that big rocket. After that, we use the rinsing station to clean our hands. After that, put your piece on your class shelf in the storage area, hand sanitize, and take the bucket and tools back to the studio.